Are you faced with Do Not Disturb is not working on iPhone issue? In this video, we will show you how to fix it easily. Way 1. Disable or change Do Not Disturb schedule. Go to Settings, find Focus, and tap Do Not Disturb to ensure the schedule option is turned off. Or set the start time and end time correctly. Way 2. Change contact status. Open the phone app and tap Favorites. Find the contact you want to remove and tap Edit button, and then tap Delete. Way 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, restart iPhone might solve the SOS mode problem. This is the first and easiest way you can have a try. Way 4. Reset all settings. If restarting iPhone does not work, you can try to reset your iPhone, but this method means resetting your iPhone to factory settings. Before adopting this way, do not forget to back up your data. Way 5. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings. Click General. Click Software Update. If there is an available update, press the Download and Install button, and enter your passcode to confirm your update. The last solution is Joyoshare UltFix. It is a professional iOS repair tool can fix more than 150 iPhone issues, not only iPhone, but also iPad, iPod Touch. Firstly, install and launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Plug your iPhone to the computer. After that, press the Start button to proceed. There are two modes available for you. As we just need to fix iPhone Do Not Disturb is not working issue, it is enough to select the standard mode, which will not cause any data loss, then press the next button. In this menu, there is a guideline how to put iPhone into DFU or recovery mode, and we need to put iPhone into DFU or recovery mode. Some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct and change the wrong parts, then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal. That's all. Hope this video will help you. See you next time.